This is payment number 2 received today so far, which makes this a total of just over $750 for doing this. And all I did was, step 1, come over to Google and search spreadsheets and click on the first link. Step 2, come over to LinkedIn.com. And step 3, search for any business, for example, accounting or dentist. Go and click on companies. Step 4, send this entire done for you script that I'm going to give to you guys in this video to all of these companies. And step 5, go and receive payments like this over and over again from all of these companies on LinkedIn. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I have an absolute banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how we can be using this appointment strategy with businesses on LinkedIn to generate money online. As you can see over here, my first payment got over $379.23. Well, it was a total of $397, but obviously PayPal sometimes takes a fee, which ends up being a net total of $379. And this is my second payment for today, doing this, setting up appointments for multiple businesses on LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks that I've been using with this that you can go and utilize on LinkedIn.com to go and make money online. This is a real business model. This is not one of those ways where we complete a few surveys, drag 1 or 2 images, do some simple tasks online. This is a real online business model that can pay a real livable income. Specifically, $740 in your first 24 hours using appointment automation with LinkedIn.com over here. If you want to learn more about this, I suggest stick around. This is going to be an epic step-by-step strategy for you to follow, even if you're a beginner or don't even know how to use a PC. I'm going to show you each and every website that you need to go to. I'm literally spoon-feeding you in today's video, giving you every single secret away. If you want to receive more videos like today's one that will teach you how to make money online and utilize the internet to build a business, make sure to go down below to my YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on, and also comment down below what type of content would you like to see. Would you like to see more PayPal videos, affiliate marketing videos, drop servicing videos, forex trading videos? I'd love to see your ideas down below. And also make sure to leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up when you guys leave likes and leave positivity on my channel. But without further ado, enough banter, let's get straight into this video. Firstly, come over to google.com. I'm pretty sure we all know google.com, and we're going to go and search spreadsheets over here. Now, spreadsheet is a free version of Excel basically that Google gives you that we can go and use. Go and click on go to Sheets or try Sheets for work if you have not signed up yet. So I'm going to click on go to Sheets. And let's go and click on blank documents over here. And yeah, you can see just like Excel, we can go and use Excel sheets here completely for free. Now, this is the tool that's going to be generating us, well, like it generated me, over $700 in a day on LinkedIn over here completely for free. I haven't spent money on LinkedIn ads. I haven't paid people to promote anything. All of this is completely for free. So you literally have nothing to lose by trying this. Go and add the following 4 headings to your spreadsheet. In column B, company name, column C, contact, column D, start of communication, and column E, appointment setter. This is really important and crucial that you set this up correctly, because this is all going to be a systemized process. In order for that system to read each and every entry in this database, we need to go and have the correct heading. So you can either go and copy and paste exactly what I've got here, or just go and type it out yourself. If I quickly come over to Google, an appointment setter is a person who works in sales, usually occupies a sales development representative, and conducts a series of steps to set sales appointments between a company and a potential buyer. Now, I'm going to show you how we can go and use this spreadsheet, systemize this in an appointment setter system to go and get all of these businesses over here, appointment setters, clients through the door of their business, in which return they'll be paying us for this, which is a really epic strategy. Like I said, it's a real profitable business method. Like I said, it's a real profitable business strategy, as I'm pretty sure any business over here would want clients coming through the door of their business, and that is what we are going to be helping them out in today's strategy. Not only it will get these businesses more clients through the door of their business, it will get them more sales opportunities, identify buyer personalities, using technology to increase efficiency, get customized solutions, innovate for better results in their business, improve lead quality, and also find accurate data on their leads and what kind of audience they are looking for to get through the door of their business. So something like this really benefits a company. That is why the conversion rate of this is super high, and why I was able to get $370 sales in my first day doing this. Step number 2 is to come over to LinkedIn.com. Go and create your account. It's pretty simple: name, email, verification of that password, and then you'll be able to sign in your account, create your profile, etc. So you just want to go and do that. It doesn't really matter how professional your profile looks, as long as you just have a profile on LinkedIn, you can go and do this. So what we're going to go and do is to go and get a whole bunch of business ideas. I've just come over to this website over here called capterra.co.za /directly. and I will give you a whole bunch of different company ideas. So for example, we can go and search animal shelter businesses, affiliate businesses, advertising agencies, architects, artists, assessment, asset tracking businesses, auction businesses, audit businesses, auto body shop businesses, auto dealer accounting, background check businesses, backup systems, barbershops, board management, breweries, you name it. This website literally has an entire database for you that will list all the type of business categories that we can go and use for this. Let's, for example, go and use the dental niche over here. So we just go and copy this name over here, or we can just come over to LinkedIn and go and type in dentist over here, click on enter. You want to click on companies, click on all, then click on companies again. So it filters by all the company pages on linkedin.com. We can go and use all of these businesses over here from page 1 all the way to page 100. So there's probably over 1,000 different dentist practices on this website that we can go and use. Let's, for example, go and choose this dentist over here, the Dentist of Summerlin in Las Vegas. So we can open up this page over here, go and copy by starting with the first step, the dentist name over here. We're going to come back to our spreadsheet and just go and paste their name. Step number 2, for the contact, we can go and open up this website here, click on the contact page on the top right, and we can go and copy their phone number over here. So we just go Control C, come back to the spreadsheet, go and paste the contact. Start of communication date, you just want to put today's date, that's 23rd of February, that's 2022, and you want to continue doing this for at least about 20 to 30 different businesses. So if I come back to LinkedIn on the dentist page over here, you will find that there's 23,000 results. That means there's over 23,000 different businesses on LinkedIn that we can go and use for this. But like I said, go and create a spreadsheet of about 20 to 30. But now let's imagine we have our spreadsheet of 20 to 30 different businesses over here. That's going to lead us to our next step. We're going to come over back to the website page of this business. We're going to go and enter our name, phone, and email. So let's go and do that. We can just go, for example, James, a random phone number. Let's just type in a number and our email address. You can just type your email address. So my email at gmail.com. For our message, I've got an entire script that's done for you. Don't worry, we don't have to think anything off the top of our head. It's all automated for you. On this document over here is a secret resource that really converts well with this. I've got an entire Facebook strategy for you over here that you can go and use, and then the email message that we're going to be using on all of these LinkedIn businesses over here. So it goes like this: 10 new work orders in 24 hours, February limited. So this would be your title. So we're going to copy this as our title, come back to the contact page of this business. We're going to click on enter, and we're going to click on, we can copy this entire message over here, which goes like this: dear company name, our company, you just put your company name, are looking for new business partners to cooperate with and increase revenue. We are specializing in connecting high quality, reliable, trained and experienced appointment setters with businesses. Average business working with us gets around 5 to 10 new work orders in less than 24 hours. How can we benefit you? Connect trained and experienced setters to your team, bring 50 to 100 new orders and clients to your dentistry a month, increase monthly revenue to up to 300%, take care of everything around. What do we want? Just a simple reply to this email if you're interested. If you're interested in gaining more orders in February, please contact me at, and you just put your email address. So again, my email at gmail.com, which you'll be replacing with your email. So I'm just going to go and copy this message over here. We go and paste this here. Just go and replace the name with the dentists. That's the Dentists of Summerlin. That's the name up here. Click on comma, and this message is now complete. Click on complete capture and click on submit. And now for the best part that you've been waiting for, we can go and automate this into an entire business and run this on autopilot. So if I come over to Fiverr.com, we can go and search appointment setter. Go and click on search. Over here, you can go and pay professionals $10, $20, $30, $40 to go and do all of this for you. So if you go and send these professionals on Fiverr your entire sheet over here with 30 to 40 businesses, these people over here will get them a whole bunch of clients. And then all you do is, for example, if they're charging $10 here, you just go and charge this dentist company $20 or $30. When they send you the $20 or $30, come over to Fiverr and drop service all of this work for just half the price and keep all of the profits in your pocket, and you're not even doing the work. You're just literally transferring the work from Fiverr to your clients over here. All of the hard work is done by the people on Fiverr, while you keeping 100 to 300% profit in your pocket. literally while you eat, sleep, and poop. For example, if I go and choose on this Fiverr gig over here and open them up, I will call 50 leads up to 3 times and provide the results via end of day reports. They've got a standard package where you can pay them $25. I will call 200 leads up to 3 times and provide the results via end of day reports, and then 400 lead package over here. So what you can go and do is in this little document here, you can go and mention when they reply your different services that you offer. So you would obviously go and offer these same services here. For example, 50 leads, 200 leads, or 400 leads, cold calls 3 times. And when this company gets back to you over here, you can just go and send them your price. So for example, the basic package, you can go and charge $20. For the standard package, you can go and charge $50. For the premium package, you can go and charge $100, so that you're making 100% markup on these sales over here. And this person on Fiverr is doing all of the hard work for you. And finally, for our Facebook strategy over here, you want to come over to Facebook groups and go and search for appointment setter and just click on groups over here. And here you will see tons of different groups with different appointment setters. So we can go and click on this one here. I like the idea of this one, high ticket appointment setters and lead generation job opportunities. Also because they've got over 12,000 members. So there's a lot of people on this group and they're posting 4 times a day. So that means this group is very active. If I go and open this up, you want to go and click on join group, go and click on create a public post, click on create a public post. So we can go and type out our post. We can then come back to our documents over here and literally go and copy this entire Facebook script as is and go and paste this over here. And this is a great way to go and find appointment setters for your business at a really cheap price for Facebook groups over here. And specifically why this works is because you're giving someone a job opportunity. Most people will take this opportunity. So it says the following: we are hiring full-time outbound appointment setters. This position is for one of our clients. We're looking for experienced appointment setters that know how to book a full calendar. It's 100% remote, looking for dedicated, patient, and consistent setters. Need previous experience, must be great in writing English, Monday to Friday, 35 to 40 hours per week, commission based. DM me if interested or comment down below and we'll send you the details. And over here, if people comment down below or if people are interested, you're going to go and DM them. One of my clients is the Dentist of Summerlin. I've also got an entire Excel sheet for you that you need to go and use and start your business with. So go and do your lead generation and cold calling to all of these businesses over here. And when these businesses pay you, for example, Dentist of Summerlin pays you $50 or $20 or whatever you're charging, you can go and pay your employee on Facebook only $10, for example, and keep $10 to $20 in your pocket. Or if you want to work on percentage, between 100 and 300% margin and profit, which then these people on Facebook do all of the hard work. I definitely prefer the Fiverr strategy, but what I like about Facebook, it usually ends up being a bit cheaper. So these guys that charge $10, $25, $45, some guys on Facebook might only be like $5 a day, which works much cheaper. But you know, on Fiverr, these gigs are left positive reviews with 5 stars. With Facebook, you don't really know what kind of quality work you're getting. And if you really want to scale and go the professional route with this, you can come over to a tool called Builderall.com, which you can go and create your own checkouts, your own funnels, your own email automation, where you can actually go and collect all your leads for your appointment setters and all your businesses over here. So instead of just sending your PayPal link when you get an order, you can actually go and include your entire funnel over here on your message, so that when these businesses click on your funnel, it takes them through the whole sales process. And every time you get an order, you get paid, which means you then come over to Fiverr, go and pay these guys to go and do the service, and then transfer that work back to your clients over here, which this example is the Dentist of Summerlin. So this is a real big business opportunity. You can really scale fast, literally just finding appointment setters for businesses all over the world. What I like about this, it's all remote, it's all digital. You don't have to do any of the hard work because you're drop servicing and outsourcing all of the content. If you guys would like to find out how I drop services and high trending services all over the world every single day, I've actually got an entire free course for you guys. It's a free 40 video course on YouTube, completely for free. There's no upsell to crazy some $2,000 course. It's a free playlist. So I'm going to leave that on the screen over here. It teaches you how to drop service and create funnels for programming and tech niche, copywriting, advertising, Google ads, you name it. You can go and start all of these agencies in any kind of niche on Fiverr over here. You just hover over the menu and you can see all of these categories over here. You can literally go and offer any type of business and outsource the work through Fiverr, provided that their work is good. That is where it's important to have a look at their reviews, have a look at what other people say about their work, and you can even go and ask them for discounts to have more profit for yourself. So drop servicing is a very big and successful industry. Well, very unknown, but those that do well really make a lot of money. So that playlist I'll leave on the screen over here. It's about 40 videos in it. Make sure to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.